Alright, get ready because what I'm about to show you is going to completely change how you think about using the internet. Imagine a browser that doesn't just help you search but actually does the entire browsing for you. Sounds futuristic. It's real and it's called Fellou AI, the world's first truly agentic browser. We're not talking about another plugin or fancy chatbot. This is an AI that takes full control of the browser experience, autonomously performing complex tasks like deep research, automation, and cross platform workflows, all while you sit back and focus on what matters most. You could literally say, "Hey, fellow, find me the most profitable digital products to sell in 2025." And instead of giving you random blog links, it silently activates in its shadow workspace, pulls live insights from over 2,500 data signals, scans market trends, and delivers a polished, insight rich report in seconds. Want to discover viral AI copy strategies or create a content calendar? Fellow not only finds what works, it organizes the results, cross references sources, and can even start building your outline or article right there in your browser. It's like having a research team, strategist, and automation wizard all rolled into one. Only it never sleeps. Gone are the days of tab overload, copy pasting notes, or hours wasted Googling. Fellow literally thinks and acts on your behalf, whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, researcher, or just someone trying to get more done with less effort. And here's the kicker, it completely outpaces tools like Claude, Perplexity, and even deep research. This is beyond ChatGPT style chatting. This is deep action browsing. You're not just consuming the web anymore, you're commanding it. So if you're still stuck using Chrome and doing everything manually, hate to break it to you, but you're already living in the past. The future is autonomous, intelligent, and hyper efficient. If that just blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe for more next gen AI updates, and let me know in the comments what would you have Fellow do for you first. See you in the next one.